quantitative research. Whenever we hear quantitative research, the usual reactions of the students is that, ay, ang hirap, hala, paano ko papasa? However, let us try to understand what is it first before we go ahead and write one. So, quantitative research as defined by Creswell and Babi are the following. In other words, it is a way to solve human problem based on testing a theory through different statistical measures to see if the theory being tested holds true or not. In example, a lot of research and experts around the world are trying to find the vaccine for the virus. For it to happen, different testings are actually being done. They do different computation to test if the vaccine that they are developing is suitable sa tao or not. That's why quantitative research is very important. Here are the characteristics of quantitative research. It is objective, it is formal, it has large sample size, it is value-free and unbiased, it uses structured research instrument, it is accurate and reliable, feature outcomes, and has deductive process. So when we say it is objective, it has a clearly defined research questions. Gumagamit ito ng mga questions ng what, which, and how much. For formal, it is actually based on set definitions, the language that the researcher used, an impersonal voice. For large sample size, unlike sa qualitative data, since mostly it will be interviews and descriptions, quantitative data uses numbers, so you can actually do a whole population instead of just a sample. For value-free and unbiased, it is actually unbiased and neutral, and it only reports facts based on the outcomes from the statistical treatment used. The researcher is actually independent from the subject. Its structured research instruments are actually in forms or questionnaires or surveys. And these goes through a certain process like the examples, types, characteristics, and the design. It has validity of the questionnaires as well as the reliability. For accurate and reliability, gaya nga ng sinabi na it has standardized questions, it goes through different reliability and validity tests. For future outcomes, quantitative research can actually be used and can actually be researched again in different setting and in different culture. And it uses actually a deductive process. Here are my reference.